Good morning, everyone. This is me, Azim, here again from OSIP Design. Um, Today, I want to um, talk about website maintenance, and it's a very, very important aspect that we have to look into it when we design a website or when you make your website live. And the reason why I'm saying this is because recently one of my client has actually experienced that, and a couple of the clients have actually experienced this in the past as well. And it's a very alarming situation. So we designed a website for a client a few years back, and I sent them an email as well. Once we design a website, we also send a service level agreement to our clients for that. So their website is also updated, especially WordPress websites. And WordPress websites, how they work is that you need to update your WordPress, you need to update the files, the plugins, the any third-party plugins that you're using as well in it, and the code as well. If you don't update it, it's like you have a Windows based computer here and you don't update to the latest Windows, your Google Chrome is also not updated and it won't work in a perfect way, and it will start giving you glitches and then your computer is going to crash. And that happens with a website as well. And so recently one of my clients, their website was hacked, and they didn't update it, the plugins as well, and well, the hacking is a different thing, but the plugins were not updated, the WordPress itself was not updated. I have sent them multiple reminders. They didn't look into it for service level agreement with us, and they didn't do it themselves as well. I told them that if you don't want to do a service agreement with us, that's fine, but then you should actually update your website on a timely basis and in a timely fashion, and on a regular, on a monthly basis. You should do that. And what happened is that the website was corrupted as well. So the updates weren't done, it was also corrupted, and we could not do anything because the server also doesn't have a long backup there in it. We went all the way back to May, and the hosting company we talked to, and they said we only had the backup up until May, and it's also not updated. In a nutshell, the website is gone, and we are redesigning the website, and client is paying the cost for it. It's painful. I don't want to do this practice, although it benefits us because we are redesigning the website, we're getting paid, but that's not the point, and I don't want that from you. So what I request you is, please, 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 if you have a website, especially if it's a WordPress based website, please have your plugins, have your website updated in a timely fashion. If you haven't updated it, then contact your web designer or contact me, and then we will help you out with that. I have a team who can help you with this, and we can take care of that. But the problem is that if you don't do it, your website is gonna be gone, and then you have to pay again to build the same website, and it doesn't make sense at all. So please update that, and please look into it. And also, one thing I want to emphasize over here is it's not about just clicking the buttons and select all, and all the plugins are updated right away. Don't do that. That's a wrong way of doing it. It does not work all the time because not every plugin is updated. So hire a professional who knows how to do that. We will do it one by one. We will look into all the files. We will look into the updates first. Then we will update it. And if there is any glitches, we will try to fix those glitches for you. You're paying for that service level agreement. So please do that service level agreement. We charge a very, very nominal fee for service level agreements. Give me a call, 604-679-8213. Write me an email at Azim at osapdesign.ca. Send me a message on WhatsApp. Shoot me a message on Facebook, on LinkedIn, wherever you're watching this. Contact me. I'll help you with that. I'll direct you in the right way, and I'll help you that your website doesn't get ruined. It's important. Thank you.